In example 6, we're asked to estimate how far away a 6,000 meter high mountain is. 6,000 meters high. You ask a friend who is 1.8 meters tall to move in front of a 1 meter high post so that their head is in line with the top of the mountain. When in that position, they're standing 2.45 meters from the post. And from that, you should be able to get an estimate of how far away the mountain is from the post. Now, that doesn't make much sense until you've got some kind of a picture. And here's the picture. Now, let's just look at this. We have the post right here, 1 meter high. We have your friend, who is 1 meter 0.8, that's 1 meter plus another 0.8 up there. And then you have the mountain, which is 6,000 meters over here. In other words, that's 1 plus the 5,999. And it also tells you that the friend is 2.45 meters from the post. Your job is to find out the length from M all the way to P. So in other words, that's going to be Y plus 2.45. To find Y, what we're going to do is look at this little triangle here, which is similar to this big triangle here. Now, because they're similar triangles, we should be able to set up an equation in terms of two ratios. We take the small triangle, that's this triangle here, and we look at the 0.8 divided by this side here, which is the same as this length down here, 2.45. That's where this 0.8 divided by 2.45 comes from. That should be equal to this side divided by this side of the big triangle. Right? The small triangles, this side divided by this side, should be the same as this divided by this. And there we have it. We have 5,999 divided by Y plus 2.45. That's where this side of the equation comes from. And from then on, it's just a matter of solving that equation. You can cross multiply like we have here, and then when you multiply out the brackets, we get something that's a little bit simpler. We just continue as you would with any sort of normal linear equation. You get y equal to 14,697.55 minus 1.96, all divided by 0.8. What you should get when you do that is 18,368.4875. Now, check that that is an answer. Is that actually what the question is asking for? The question asks for how far away is the mountain from the post to the nearest meter. The mountain is here, the post is here, so the distance we want is y plus 2.45. And when we do that, we should get 18,371.9375 meters. If you do that in kilometers, it would be 18.372 kilometers. This 2 here represents the nearest meter.